Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to view App Store purchase history on iPhone with iOS 26. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the App Store. And after that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen. After that, go and choose purchase history. Okay, so probably and sometimes it will ask you about your Apple ID and the password of your Apple ID, or sometimes it will get you directly here. And as you can see here, it shows me my purchase history in the last 90 days. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next